Hi everyone, I've been using Moroccanoil products for about 8 years now, and I really love this brand. Their oil, shampoo, and conditioner make my hair soft, shiny, and smell so good. I've had this Moroccanoil Smooth Style ceramic heated brush for a little over a year now, and today I want to show you how I use it. Right now, I just washed and dried my hair with a regular blow dryer. As you can see, it's still wavy and a little frizzy. This is how my hair usually looks before styling. That's why I love this brush. It makes my hair smooth, straight, and shiny in just a few minutes. The brush heats up very fast, and you can choose the temperature that works best for your hair. I usually keep it on medium heat because my hair is fine, but it goes up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit if you have thicker hair. The ceramic bristles glide easily through the hair and help protect it from heat damage. It doesn't burn or pull. It just smooths everything out so nicely. You can already see how it's making my hair shiny while I brush. What I like most is how quick and easy it is to use. It gives me that salon smooth look without using a flat iron. And here's the result. My hair is straight, soft, and really shiny. It feels smooth and healthy. If you want an easy tool that helps you get shiny, frizz-free hair in minutes, I definitely recommend the Moroccanoil Smooth Style ceramic heated brush. I've been using it for over a year and I still love it.